In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker under the trading panel or enable paper trading. To get started, make sure you're on your chart and ready to place a trade. Before you can submit any order, you'll need to confirm that your trading connection is active. This can be done in the trading panel area, where you can either connect a supported broker account or switch on paper trading if you want to practice without using real money. Paper trading is especially useful if you're learning the platform, testing order flow, or trying out a strategy before putting actual funds at risk. Once your broker connection or paper account is enabled and active, you're ready to move on. Next, look over to the far right toolbar and click the Order Panel button. This opens the order entry area where you can build and submit your trade. If you don't immediately see everything you expect, just take a moment to let the panel load fully and confirm you're in the correct section. This panel is where you'll define the details of your position, including how you want the trade to be executed and how you want risk and profit targets to be managed. Now choose your order type. You'll typically select either market or limit. A market order is designed to execute at the best available current price, so it's generally used when speed of entry matters most. A limit order, on the other hand, allows you to specify the exact price you want, which can give you more control over entry, though execution will only happen if the market reaches that level. Choose the one that best fits your plan before moving forward. After that, check both the take profit and stop loss option boxes. This is an important part of trade management because it helps define your exit plan in advance. The take profit level is where the platform can close the trade once your target has been reached, while the stop loss is there to help limit downside if the market moves against you. Setting both at the same time can make your process more consistent and reduce the chance of forgetting an important protection. Then enter your target price levels or distance values for both the take profit and the stop loss. Be careful here and double check your entries so the levels match your strategy and risk tolerance. Once everything looks correct, click Buy if you want to go long or Sell if you want to go short. At that point, your order will be sent using the settings you selected, and your trade setup will include both your profit target and your stop protection.